Welcome back to my channel, the Coin Spot. Today is Best Coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get started. The 100 halala/1 Riyal coin from 1980, AH1400, and its connection to King Khalid bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, the fourth king of Saudi Arabia. Coin overview: 100 halala/1 Riyal 1980, AH1400. Denomination: 100 halala, equal to 1 Saudi Riyal. Year of minting: 1980 Gregorian, 1400 Hijri. Material: copper nickel. Weight: approximate 10 grams. Diameter: about 30 millimeters. Mint: Royal Mint, United Kingdom. Obverse: Arabic inscription of King Khalid bin Abdulaziz's full name, King of the Kingdom of Saudi Arab. Emblem of Saudi Arabia: 2 cross sword with a palm tree above. Reverse: Hijri year, AH1400. Mint marks depending on production site. This coin represents modernization efforts in the Saudi monetary system during a time of significant development and oil-driven economic expansion. King Khalid bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, full historical biography. Born February 13, 1913. Reign March 25, 1975 to June 13, 1982. Father: King Abdulaziz, founder Saudi Arabia. Mother: Al-Jawar bint Musid. Died June 13, 1982 in Taif. Early life and rise to power. Fifth son of the founding King Abdulaziz. Took limited roles in early government, but was widely respected for his calm, humble nature. Became crown prince in 1965 after King Saud's removal and King Faisal's ascension. Became king after King Faisal's assassination in 1975. Key achievements during his reign: economic boom and infrastructure development. Benefited from the 1970s oil boom. Massive expansion in infrastructure, healthcare, and education. Launched Saudi development plans, especially the third, 1980 to 1985. Religious and cultural development. Expanded the holy mosques in Mecca and Medina. Commissioned the new Golden Kaaba door in 1977. Promoted Islamic identity in governance, education, and institutions. Established many universities, e.g., King Faisal University, Al-Qura. Promoted scholarships and modern schooling across the kingdom. Foreign relations and the Gulf. Played a key role in establishing the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, in 1981. Supported peace in the Lebanese Civil War through Arab summits. Managed neutrality during the early Iran-Iraq War, 1980 to 1988. Challenges and health issues. Suffered from chronic heart problems. Delegated daily governance to his half-brother Crown Prince Fahd. Died from a heart attack in 1982 and was succeeded by King Fahd. Legacy: remembered for peace, stability, and massive development during his short reign. Numerous institutions bear his name, including King Khalid International Airport, Riyadh. King Khalid University, Aba. King Khalid Eye Specialist Hospital. King Khalid Foundation. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos.